Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am really happy to have you back, and as you see from the title, this is a beginner video for anyone who wants to understand how you eat, what you eat, and how to calculate your macros the simplest way on keto for weight loss or just for weight loss in general. If you are new here, welcome. I am really happy that you stepped by, and on Mondays, as you see, we create these beginner videos. On Wednesday we do advanced techniques, and for the weekends I give you a bunch of yummy recipes. So if this is something you like, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I created a webinar, a free training video as well for you. So if you want to get a comprehensive training video from beginning to end, how to start out keto right and how to start your weight loss out right, then definitely head there. Here is the link and watch that webinar. And now let's get into the video. So first of all, most of you know by now, or maybe not, that on the keto lifestyle you go for 75% of fat, 20% of protein, and 5% of carbs. But what does this mean? Basically, actually 70% of fat is not a lot of fat. I'm gonna show you some pictures in this video of actual meals I eat or my clients eat, so you get a bit more reality. How does this look on a plate, on actual food? So definitely keep watching this video. On the protein, when we refer to 20% of protein, we refer to the actual source of the protein, not the protein itself. So we say 3 ounces of chicken, 6 ounces of beef, and this is what we refer to when we speak about 20% of protein. If you are a smaller person, you are a woman, you are short, tiny, definitely around 3 ounces per meal should be fine. If you are a guy and you are bigger, muscly, then definitely you want to go for 6 ounces per meal. And if you are active and doing a lot of gymming or training, or you are really large person, then I would say you can even move towards 8 ounces per meal. Everybody have to find a sweet spot and actually supply their body with the right amount of protein, but you cannot really go wrong between 3 to 6 ounces, and in some cases a bit more to 8 ounces. Alright, so carbs, when we talk about carbs, 5% of carbs, we actually speak about that you are keeping your daily carbs between 20 to 50 grams a day. If you want to lose weight, I suggest you stay closer to 20 grams per day. This is a very ideal number to lose weight and be in ketosis and just do very well. And now I am gonna show you the easiest macro calculation ever, and also some pictures how your food should look like. Okay, so I made you here a little infographic, and this is the simplest way to calculate your macros without measuring anything basically. And I see that most of my clients has absolutely no time to measure anything, and it's really not something that's working on this lifestyle. So this is a method that is very usable and it's really easy to do. So basically you take your plate, and as you can see, then you take 1/4 of the plate, that's protein. Then you take the other 1/4 of the plate, that's fat, and fat and protein usually overlaps because your chicken is not pure protein. It's basically protein and fat together, or your fish isn't fully protein, it's fat and protein together. So protein and fat is basically overlapping. This is a very good method. If you take 1/4 of the plate is protein, 1/4 of the plate is fat. And then you always want to make sure that half of your plate, no matter what, is always veggies. Many other keto lifestyle doesn't speak about veggies or tell you that you need to eat a lot of veggies. I am telling you the success in weight loss and actually in a healthy keto lifestyle is veggies. You need about half a plate with every meal, and then you are good to go. You need the fiber, so you actually wash through your liver from all the different things that your body breaks down when you are burning fat, and this also helps you to detoxify, and it's really something that helps and enhances your weight loss because veggies have a lot of potassium, and potassium in general helps with cravings, and also it improves your insulin resistance and helps you to stabilize your blood sugar. So it's definitely something you want to include. And also, where should your body take vitamins and minerals to rebuild itself if it's not from vegetables? So definitely, if you want to do a healthy keto lifestyle, you want to get the most weight loss as possible in the shorter period of time, I am telling you, you want to basically have half a plate of veggies and again 1/4 of protein and 1/4 of fat, and this is the simplest macro calculation on this lifestyle. And now here is some actual pictures so you get some more reality about different foods. This is breakfast. You can see 2 eggs with a little shrimp and a bunch of leafy greens under. This would be totally ideal to eat. And then here you see some other options. For example, here you have some olives, 1 avocado, tomato, some mushroom with leafy greens, some ham, and a little bit of brie cheese. That would be also perfect for your first keto breakfast. And then you see a really good salad here with some feta cheese, some hard-boiled eggs with some caviar or whatever you want to put on it, and then that's option 3. And then you can see the last one, and that's basically chia pudding with unsweetened almond milk, some almonds and berries, and you can see a big kale shake to get your veggies in as well. Now you can see lunch. This is some homemade sauces, no additives or sugar, leafy greens, some asparagus, and of course a big piece of salmon. This would be totally ideal for a keto lunch. The next one, here you see a big salad with rucola and different veggies, half an avocado, and again a salmon on a different way. Then here you can see a taco bowl on the top. This is basically tomato, cucumber, maybe some greens, and then you have minced beef and some guacamole and sour cream, and the guacamole is just basically avocado smashed together with some spices, and that's basically perfect as keto lunch. And then you see the bottom one. This is a tuna fish salad with a lot of greens and about 90 grams of tuna. Here is some dinner options. You see here basically chicken with some skin on, a piece of cheese, olives, and just a salad, and that would be perfect. Then the next one, here you see a big salad with some homemade sausage on top, some mozzarella cheese and eggs. This is 3 boiled eggs. So if you are actually a person who are bigger or you have a higher activity level, then this would be just a perfect dinner for you. The next one, here you see baby spinaches with beetroot and some chicken and cheese. This is also a great option. And then you see basically shashlik with some rucola salad, and this would be an also perfect keto dinner. Alright, I hope this was actually really helpful to give you some ideas what you can eat and how you should make your plate look like for your first keto breakfast, lunch and dinner. And if that was helpful or you wanna see similar videos like this one, definitely comment below and let me know. And definitely if you like this, then smash that like button and see you in my next video.